Professor Dr. Akshay Bhargav. Dr. Bhargav is MDS and he is president of Indian Prosthodontic Society. He is dean of Santosh Dental College and he is a diplomat WCOI and diplomat ICOI. So I welcome Professor Akshay Bhargav for next talk.
So Dr. Akshay, please over to you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Pawan. Extremely my apologies. I was held up somewhere and then I could not get into the link. I had some issues, but it's a pleasure. I've been hearing for the last 40 minutes and it's been overwhelming to hear people how they have faced, and some of them in fact even the common sense to break there and not get into tobacco. I would like to acknowledge few people who've really been, all of you been working so hard. Reena, great work, great efforts. Now I know you're not retired. So you're doing a great job and excellent work, Pawan. I can see also Dr. Rishabh and Dr. Shalini Agarwal, and of course from my institute, Dr. Priyanka Bhushan, and many more are there. I am sorry I don't know you, but great for all of you to have this kind of feeling. I don't have any slides to share, but I do have my own experience. From BDS second year till MDS, my exam, I used to smoke 20 cigarettes a day. Arena, don't look so shocked. So I realized the only way I could give it up, which I don't know it has been addressed here or not. The only way I could give it up was to give up my friends. जिस संगति में मैं था, जब तक वो संगति नहीं छोड़ी मैं नहीं छोड़ पाया. I used to go back to my college, meet the same people, and again, even if I've left it for 3 months, 4 months, it was very difficult to, say no. My advice is that you have to either make your friends change or you also have to change. And the way everybody, and especially I Can Care, is spreading the awareness. There is no other way. There is no other way unless you spread awareness. In fact, I'll share another very interesting anecdote. You'll say one of my friends, son and daughter-in-law, they were not conceiving, and you would be surprised. I just told them, okay, stop smoking, and it took them 4 months. And touch wood, they've been able to give the good news. So you see, you have to understand and you have to get aware, okay, where what is going wrong. And sometimes, the price that we pay could be very heavy. So my two take-home messages, without much undue time, is that, A, change the company. B, get aware. Don't wait. Some of the things are irreversible, like if you really ask me, people talk. There is going to be atherosclerosis of the arteries and things like that. But is it reversible? Yes, it is reversible. And at the end of the day, you see, nicotine has a particular way of maintaining its level in the bloodstream. And you get used to that blood level of nicotine. So you want to continuously, the smoking becomes more and more and more. It's a vicious cycle. It's not that you have one cigarette and then you can give it up or whatever. Those who haven't started, great. This talk is not for them. You know already about it. You haven't started. If you haven't started till now, you're not going to start it now. But those who want to give it up, yes. What the first message is, change your sangati. Second, try your best. Put like I used to put a long. We didn't have that nicotine tablets at that time. मैं long रखता था, coffee पीता था, black coffee pita tha, and gradually it took it's not a 1 month affair, it's not a 2 years affair. And today also, to be very honest, if I see 4 people smoking and that smell comes, there is a little tingy mingy feeling that I should try it, so I have learned to walk away. That's about it. And this is all I would like to share. Thank you so much, I Can Care, for giving me this opportunity and our institute to join you. And congratulations for this wonderful job you're doing to keep the heart working well on Valentine's Day. Thank you, Reena. Thank you, Pawan.
Thank you, Dr. Bhargav, and definitely we are really glad that we have a MOU with Santosh, and we will be working together in the Ghaziabad area. And today we have got the Lions Club with us, who are also working in the Ghaziabad area. So we can all join together to make Ghaziabad a tobacco-free place, and definitely it can happen. And of course, there are methodologies available, and for the various methods that everyone is putting in various ways, I would only suggest adopt the protocol-based methodology that is being done by ICANN-CARE, which is a very scientific way of helping people quit tobacco. And we are training people. We are giving, we are making specialists. We are making ambassadors or the motivators in the society. We are having marshals in the society. Please do join the network. That's what I would look forward for. So thank you, Dr. Akshay. That's a wonderful way, a wonderful experience that you have shared.